tea and took my vitamins, which are all very essential in my morning skincare routine. I truly believe that what you put into your body affects your skin a lot more than what you put on it. Maybe not a lot more, but at least equally. Now I'm about to start my skincare routine. I actually don't wash my face in the morning. I feel like after I've double cleansed at night and I wake up, I'm not really doing that much in my sleep that requires another full cleanse. So I like to just splash my face with water, and then I take the micellar water from eCooking and I spray some on this little reusable cotton round, but I also spray some on my face. And this is just really what I use as my cleanser in the mornings. So after I cleanse every morning, I do like to use a Manuka honey mask. I do this probably 6 days a week. Today I'm using the Soul Addict CBD Honey Mama and Manuka face mask. The ingredients are just raw honey, raw Manuka honey, camu camu, CBD, ashwagandha, coconut oil, and peppermint oil. What I have found is that Manuka honey definitely helps add hydration into my skin because it's a humectant. It evens my skin tone. If I'm having any sort of breakouts or acne, it is antibacterial and antifungal. So it does help clear up any breakouts and any dark spots. And I don't know, I like it. It's just like a little pick-me-up for the morning time. So now we take the mask off. After my mask, I tone. Today I'm using the Uma Deeply Clarifying Toner. I love when a toner comes in a spray bottle. It kind of just makes it easier to distribute the product. And then I like to pat my toner in. Next up are my serums. I've been using the BeautyCounter All Bright Vitamin C Serum for a while now. It's been months at this point, but they are EWG verified, super clean, cruelty free, no harsh chemicals or anything like that. So I just take 2 pumps. I like to put a couple dots on my face and then just kind of pat it in. And then next I go in with the KRAVE Beauty Great Barrier Relief Serum. It has tamanu oil, safflower oil, rosehip oil, vitamin B3, ceramide, a couple of other really good things. This is cruelty free and vegan. Again, I go in with 2 pumps. I do my little dots again. Rub it on my fingertips, and then I just press the product into my skin. I actually like that this serum is a bit of a lotiony consistency and not watery or gel-like. I feel like in the fall, I just need added moisture since it's getting a little bit colder outside. Oh, where's the spot? The moisturizer that I've been using is this Tata Harper Waterlock Moisturizer. I really love it because of the way that it comes out of the jar. It just makes things a little easier. You know, you're not having to put your fingers or your hands in the jar, so there's no cross-contamination. I just feel like this helps keep the product fresher longer. Not only that, but this moisturizer is kind of thick, which I love, particularly for fall. Again, I need added moisture because it's starting to get a little chilly outside. This Rosehip Biogener oil from Pai is probably one of my favorite products. I use it morning and night. You can clearly see that the bottle is almost empty. So what I like to do with this is just put a little bit in my hands, rub it together, and pat it into my skin. I love how rosehip oil gives you that glow. It's like the candle on top, but like actually lighting the candle, it's that boom, that extra glow that you need. It also helps heal any acne and even skin tone. And the final step, I lied. The next step is one of the most important. It's my sunscreen or SPF. I do wear SPF daily. This one is oxybenzone free, no synthetic fragrances, it's vegan, and it's basically clean beauty in a sunscreen. I just take a little strip on my finger like that, and again with the dots. And of course the neck. And then we get to rubbing. This requires a little extra rubbing on just because of the tint, but I really love the way my skin glows after the sunscreen is on. So maybe the oil is the candle and the sunscreen is the actual flame. And before I forget, you want to end it with some sort of lip moisturizer. I'm using the Cocokind Matcha Moisture Stick. I just swipe it over my lips and do one of these. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.